Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to test out the launch control in Rob's car. So first things first, what you need to do is hold down the ESP button until you get the ASR and the ESP all switched off. Put it into sport mode on the gearbox. Left foot brake, and then you hold the throttle and that is launch control. Happy days. Stay tuned to watch more Audi TT videos, more car related stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Rob, that was mint.
Was it good?
Yeah. How was your first launch?
Oh, yes.
See you in the next one.